Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find where your alternator fuse is located. Stay with us, it's very unusual location and we will explain why it's there and how to remove and replace it. In many cases it's very powerful fuse, something like 150, 180 or maybe even 200 amps. So let's start on that. It should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, so if you come right here guys, this is your alternator. Now, right there. If that alternator guys, okay, if you connect your car battery the wrong way, what can happen? You will cause damage to the electrical system, burn alternator. If you're in a crash or something, that wire can catch on fire, so you have a fuse that actually disconnects that. And sometimes that fuse can burn if you have a bad alternator to protect the circuit as well. So you're not overcharging your car. But what you need to do right here, you need to come, you see you have your car battery, and looking at it guys, okay, first you need to actually disconnect the negative cable. Now let's explain something quick. On these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you connect first, because if you do it the wrong way you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical components, modules guys, and that could be something super expensive to fix. So always follow that procedure, disconnect the negative cable first, okay, don't forget to do that, because otherwise, okay, you can severely damage your vehicle. Perfect. After that guys, you can see that fuse under that cap guys. Open that cap and you can see under that cap right here, that's where the fuse is located. That's huge fuse, alternator fuse. Ours is 150 amp, depending on which options you have and all that stuff, it could be even bigger. And what we need to do, we have a 10mm nut right here that we need to pre-loosen. Okay, so we can go ahead and take it off. After that, what do we need to do? We have one more that we need to remove guys, big nut, and we'll explain which one. Okay, right here. Now this one, okay, you can see you can kind of like grab the cable a little bit, okay, and it comes off. We'll explain about that in a little bit, but with 12mm socket we're going to remove, okay, the second nut right there. So this is it. Perfect. Now you're going to grab that fuse, okay, you're going to pull the cable a little bit up, so okay, like that, and it will come out of there. This is your mega fuse guys, okay, that's the fuse responsible for all that stuff. So you can see without it, okay, you still have, okay, right here the starter is still connected practically to the battery, okay, but that fuse is the main fuse right here guys. So that's how we remove it. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also guys, okay, if you want to see how to test it, what you can do, let's explain quick guys. You can get a voltmeter and test it yourself, pretty simple. So get a voltmeter and set it, nope, all the way on connection right here. You need to have connection. Okay, we need to go to that part right here, or resistance, one of the two. Now touch one lead here, one there, and you should have, okay, if it shows zeros and you have an audible sound, that's a good fuse. If it's a bad fuse, it will be no communication at all. So you can check that for resistance. Let's say you do it at 2k ohms, and if you check it for resistance, okay, you should have close to 0. If it has just 1, that means that the fuse is blown. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.